Yeah, good morning from Bavaria. Today I'm going to let you in on something that I use as a research tool quite frequently. It's called the Internet Archive. It's a collaboration of more than 1,000 libraries around the world to digitize old books. Last count, if I remember right, was something over 20 million old books. They have modern ones, about 500,000, that you can borrow like you would a normal library. In order to do that, you have to be a member. But membership is free, and honestly, I'm not a member. Modern books don't really interest me so much. Most of my interest is pre-1950, but it's a valuable access tool. There's books on homesteading and farming, blacksmithing, animal husbandry, butchering, food preservation, and I've got a collection of books that I've gotten from here. There's more than 1,500 books that I have. They're downloadable in various formats. I generally stick with PDF. I'll include the link to the site down below so everybody can have access to it. It's really easy to search. You can search it by name. You can search by extra features like year, who published it, where it was published, things like that. It's a nifty research tool, and knowledge should be shared. So I'm sharing.